Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get started with the Wed2c app affiliate program. So first, if you haven't already downloaded the Wed2c app from the App Store, you can now download it. And once you have the app installed, open it and navigate to the affiliate program. And in your affiliate dashboard, you'll find a unique affiliate link. So this is the link you'll share with your audience. So anyone who downloads and subscribe to the Wed2c app through your link will be tracked back to you for commissions. So start promoting the Wed2c app by sharing your affiliate link on your blog, social media accounts, or even YouTube. You can also write a review or create tutorials explaining the app's features to attract users. So here, as people use your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission for every successful referral. And once you reach the payout threshold, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings directly to your payment account. And that's how you get started with the Wed2c app affiliate program. It's a great way to earn commissions while promoting a useful app for couples planning their wedding. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comment below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.